everywhere and is making everyone scared. 276,462 people were infected, 11,417 people were dead, and 91,954 people were recovered. And it became pandemic. And in Singapore, where I live, 385 people were infected and 131 cases were recovered. It's for everyone, and now I want to show you how Singapore fight the COVID-19. This is the second smallest country in Asia with a total population of 5.70 million and has its high risk of COVID-19. And this is what Singapore did. First, they immediately closed the country to the virus. By air, anyone with a fever will not be allowed to enter. By sea, anyone with a fever will not be allowed to enter. And by land, anyone with a fever will not be allowed to enter. So they made it really difficult for the COVID-19 to enter Singapore. Singaporeans and residents returning to the country will all have to serve a 14-day isolation period, while people in the country should defer all travel overseas. And do you know what else they did? They cleaned more than what they used to practice. They cleaned the buses, the schools, the food courts they cleaned, and everything else around Singapore. And this is the best thing Singapore did. They hired their army to pack millions of masks for everyone in the country, and they distributed it for free, and they made it illegal to all the supermarkets to increase the price. Did you know that after all of this, if someone would get the virus, the game is on. They are sent to the hospital immediately, and everyone that contacted that person would be monitored and immediately checked to ensure that they didn't get the virus as well. And if the current data is precise, this person has a 98% of recovery. Let's not just look at the virus. Let us more than think of the people who took care of the infected individuals, and look at the people who healed from it. COVID-19 at the end of the day can be healed. And that didn't come from me. It is according to the health official. Despite the panic it gives us, the COVID-19 is also an amazing opportunity to see act of kindness from everyone. From good people who came from different walks of lives, who dedicated their time, to the large numbers of health workers who works non-stop to stop the virus. We don't know what we really don't know. There will be a chance that this virus will spread out more and get worse. But do you know what really is more contagious than COVID-19? Panic. And panic is the last thing we need. Right now, the world is fighting against COVID-19. And if we are only going to stand as one to fight for this virus, I'm certainly sure that this COVID-19 will be defeated.